Cheshire in Wales supports disabled people across Wales, and it's a pan-disability charity. We support people in programmes around volunteering, employment, in social care. We work with campaigns, speak to Welsh Government to try and raise the important issues for people with disability. In terms of Strictly Cymru, we did a sponsored bike ride last year for awareness raising and to raise funds to get disabled people involved in sport and get them healthy and active. And by raising over £25,000, we wanted a way of actually putting that money to good use and looking at how we could get disabled people active. And so born was the idea of Strictly Cymru, which was the first pan-disability dance competition in Wales. And the money that was fundraised funded the running of the Strictly Cymru event itself. The grant is actually going to enable us to use the funds to roll out 18-19 Strictly Cymru, which last year reached 100 people. We're looking to reach double that this year with 200 participants that have really enriched and benefited from the competition by taking part in the training, the coaching, the mentoring, and just the fun and the entertainment really and social aspect of dancing for the first time in many cases. So this money really is going to be put towards going to support more disabled people who may never have danced to actually have the enjoyment and the fun of taking part in a dance competition from the very first sort of days where they started training all the way through to the final, how much people enjoyed it, how much they got out of it. There's sort of the case studies, the people we've spoken to, they all want to carry on dancing. So it's just been so much fun for everybody involved. And this money will enable us to do that next year in a bigger and better way.